We made a promise and I told you I would stand by you. You were the only person I could always come to. When everybody turned me down, you believed in me. You always told me I could be who I wanna be. It's sad to say, me and you, now we at the end. You were the love of my life, also my best friend. But that don't matter, I'ma hold it down till the day the Lord decides to give me back what He took away. He took away everything that I once loved. He did it for a reason, now I gotta be tough and show Him I can manage, but it's getting so hard to know my baby girl and me are being drifted apart. And now I know what it's like to be all alone. That's why I let the pen bleed on the microphone. You are my inspiration to everything I do, and when it's all said and done, I'll still be waiting for you.
I don't know whether hell or heaven is real. What I can surely tell is that my love you fulfill. Never felt any better with someone before, but I can deal with that as long as love haunts my soul. Nobody's ever managed to put a lock on my heart. What kind did you use? I tried everything I could and it wouldn't break apart. Let my guard up for a minute and my feelings got abused. Now I slave broken with no wings attached. If I could, I would take it back to the past, when once upon a time we were playing Rapunzel. It only took a night to figure out who you belong to. Nevertheless, like everything else, we had an expiration date. Your feelings spoiled up and faded away. As we both know, this has no explanation. You're the only one that keeps my world in rotation.
Used to be the perfect love story, now we ain't. At least we try to make it work before we say we can't. You gave me a chance, something I ain't think you do. Somewhere along the way you felt for me, I felt for you. And it's a blessing I can say that I felt love, but it's a tragedy to say that I lost the one that's always there, never turned their back on me. And if we ever meet again, it'll be meant to be. I don't believe in accidents, this is destiny. The Lord decides everything and how it should be. There's something that in my chest called necessity. It needs you more than ever now, so we can proceed, so we can move forward on to the next chapter. My heart is yours in this life and the life after, so take it easy baby, this is what I have to say. Tomorrow ain't promised, so just live for the day.